This was a joke.
Yeah, the only one that's got 5 on it.
We'll hold the back end of this thing for another wall. We're gonna need the torch.
You got a crowbar?
I get to drive this heat, right? No.
Yeah. All right.
I couldn't turn down here.
Because your tire was off the
Tire's
wheel.
all gone.
Still.
One lap is gone.
And the thing's over redlined. I think I broke the radiator or something.
Fresh from Saturn. Ain't burned at all.
What are we gonna do about that? Well, Ken, we raced till the sun went down. Tim, tell me what happened out there.
Oh, that feature was going good. Track was hooking up, but
Yep.
lots of training. Something drive shaft, something broke. I was a sitting duck by that point.
How does the motor run with that Quaker?
Motor runs great. Quaker State oil.
Tires held up.
Heaven is my home.
Yeah.
Saturn tire.
The whole
I
thing.
love them all.
Well,
Harvestor.
We had a good time with you.
Quaker State definitely.
And this American
And
flag
the American flag is
all over
still
it.
here.
Look at that. Well, we're going to wrap it up from Sand Lake. We had a great time, Tim. You're still a champion in our heart.
Thank you.
You did a good
Thank
job. We'll see you in Greenville next.
You. Well, we'll
We'll
try.
fix this thing.
We'll get her.
We'll put a little money into it, Jeff. We'll put a little money into it, Ken.